Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Brie. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're returning, thanks for stopping by. So today's a makeup routine. I was actually meant to film this like as I was doing the makeup, but I'll be so honest, I wanted to listen to my music. I am loving Shelly Poppy right now. Like, that's been on repeat. You'll probably see me dancing throughout this clip. But yeah, I started with some color correcting. I think I even used LA Pro Girl. I've had this one for a couple years now. So I'm actually patting the brush into my skin rather than swiping it, because when you swipe, it gives it like a streaky appearance. So I tend to avoid that. I just added, I hurt myself. I just added a headband, which I'm going to take off soon, so I don't know why I added it. Right now, I am color correcting again, but with my concealer shade, so that my dark marks are really concealed. I don't know why it is, but I only get spots on one side of my face. I don't know if this is something I need to get checked out, but the reason why I color corrected on one side is because I don't get spots on the other side of my face. I literally don't know what it is. Like, I don't know. That doesn't sound normal, does it? So I'm going in with my e.l.f. Camo concealer. I'm just concealing. Yeah, I'm just concealing. How's you lot's 2024 is going so far? I hope it's going well. Like, I hope 2024 is not beating you up already. Like, we've literally just started. People love to say, oh, January is such a long month, but it's my birthday month, so who cares? But 2024 came in swinging, man. Cat Williams, he did a number. Like, he set the internet on fire with that interview. There were so many gems he dropped, but it was also comical because it's Cat Williams. Like, he's just so funny. But yeah, now I am mixing my bronzing shade or my contour shade, I guess. Two foundations I mixed. I've had them for years as well, and I'm literally just trying to get rid of it before I purchase something else. But I'm just going to sculpt my face and go around the perimeter. But yeah, Cat Williams, I love him, man, because I just feel like truth is the firmest ground to stand on, and he stood on it. He stood on it. I think the overarching theme of the interview was, we're not going to let people manipulate the truth and try and rewrite the narrative. Like, boo, boring, go away. We're not doing that in 2024. We are being accountable, and we're saying it like it is. Yeah, I look crazy, but it's fine. It's like, trust the process, literally trust the process. Yeah, you could tell Mr. Shelly was hitting. This is the same obsession I had with Ashake though when he first came out. Like, I was obsessed with him too. But now I'm blending on the other side. I'm still doing my contour. This is actually pretty long. But the trick to having a flawless base is blending, like, and good brushes. And quality products, but I feel like your brushes and your technique is definitely so important. Like, you're gonna need to blend for your life. And then now I'm adding some more concealer to my forehead, because I missed that out. And now I'm gonna blend my concealer with the Real Techniques brush. Who's in London right now? Comment down below if you're from London or you're currently in London. I want to see where my people are at, because it's actually cold, and yeah, I don't know how this winter has just sucked the colour out of me. Like, look at my skin, I'm so pale. I'm not a conspiracy theorist, but I feel like the UK is paying for their sins, because this weather is nasty, and it's only going to get nastier. Like, we barely had a summer last year. Speaking of summer, are you lot travelling, and where you lot going? Summertime is about to be litty, like, it's about to be so litty. That's really when I'm outside. Winter is when I hibernate. Like, I literally say winter, don't go out, which is ironic because I'm going out right now. But my point is, if it were up to me, I'd be in hibernation until the summertime, or I'd literally just be in a hot country. Like, simple. I was literally telling my friend, like, this year I'm open to making new friends, but I will be very selective with who I'm open to, in terms of, like, this might be controversial, but I feel like relationships are transactional. So what are you offering to me? Well, at this stage in my life anyways, obviously not when you're young and stuff, but at this stage in my life, I'm looking for people that can pour into me and I can also pour into them. I'm literally adding foundation to the areas that I didn't go over with concealer, just to make my skin a more even complexion. Like my nose, I didn't go over my nose. Back to what I was saying about friendships, but I feel like my 20s are the years that I will be building towards the future that I'm trying to attain. I'm in a phase where I'm really focusing on personal growth. I'm looking for friends that can inspire me. I can also inspire them. Like, it's not just take, it's give and take. Yeah, community is so important to me this year. It's about creating that support system where you guys are all uplifting each other. I'm ditching the friends that are obsessed with men. I'm ditching the friends that are obsessed with gossip. I'm ditching the bad vibes because I'm only focusing on things that serve me this year. If it don't serve me, you gotta go, man. You need to pack up and leave. What's that mean? You need to leave. Like, you need to go immediately. And now I'm going in with a light concealer shade. This is the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer. I've also had this one for years. Not like this particular one, but like I'll repurchase it over and over again. Definitely time to try some new things. And then I'm going back over with my contour brush. Not with any new products, but just to, once again, blend and keep everything seamless as can be. I'm adding some cream blush right now before I blend out this concealer. I don't know if this is a fun fact or a sad fact, but I've in fact never been to a concert before. Oh my days, that was a catastrophe. I literally switched brushes so quick because I added too much product to that. I was like, yeet, screw, see you never. I was gonna say something, but I completely forgot because that caught me off guard. Like, what was that mess? I added it to my nose as well. This is the e.l.f. Putty Bora blush, by the way. The e.l.f. Cosmetics Bora. I added it to my nose, but I'm gonna end up removing it, so don't follow that step. And then I'm now finally blending out that inner concealer so it can give it that highlighted effect and make my inner eye really pop. Just make it like chef's kiss. But yeah, I've never been to a concert before and I would love to go, but then again, it's not everyone's concert that I want to go to. One person I would love to see though, just because they're a great performer, is Beyonce. And I've always wanted to see Michael Jackson, but obviously he's no longer here with us. But yeah, I'd like to see performances, like not just go there to have someone shout at the mic and then point it back at us so that we can sing it back to them. Like, no, I can do that at home, thank you. You can literally already see me vibing, like I'm having a good time at home. I love being at home, guys. I love it, and I love being by myself. I don't think it's normal. I mean, I guess maybe it's because I'm an introvert. Like, I love having my own space. Like, I literally love it. This is the thing I prayed for when I was younger, like to have my own space and to just be by myself. If it were up to me, I'll probably be on my own planet and I'll come visit Earth here and there when I feel like it, you know. But yeah, now I'm adding my Mercier translucent powder to my inner corner, and before you do that, it's very important that you make sure there are no creases. So you go over it with your brush that you use to blend out your concealer, and then you literally like pat until there's no creases, and then you go in. Oh my days, I just remembered a message I have not responded to and it's been almost a week. Yeah, and then you go and pat, go in with the powder and you like blow off, or you dust off the excess, but I choose to blow it off just so that it's not patchy. Did I mention it's my birthday at the end of the month? I'm really excited because it's another year of life. Not everyone can say they have made it to this age, and I'm so honored and I'm so blessed that God has kept to his word and not stuck to mine and allowed me to live another year. Like, glory be to God. And now we are bronzing. I'm using the Dollface Beauty bronzer. I will add the products to the description down below. I don't remember the names of it, but I know what I use, so I'm using the same bronzer over my eyelids. Can you just see how it just made my eyelash extensions pop a bit more? And that glossy eyelid is really annoying me. Like, must have been one video that I filmed and I didn't put bronzer on my eyelids, and I couldn't even watch the video. Like, whilst I was editing, I was just getting so annoyed because my eyelids were glossy. Yeah, I don't know why I'm raising my own blood pressure with that, but now I'm going over the Laura Mercier powder and Bacon. This is a KIKO eyeshadow that I was using for blush because the blush that I bought last time was not given. I've heard good things about KIKO's eyeshadow. If you guys are still here watching the video, shout out to you. I would really appreciate if you guys could drop a like and subscribe to the channel so that YouTube can push this video out in the algorithm. There's good vibes over here. Like, we vibe over here. It's not always serious, sometimes play, you know. I go over my brows with a pen, like a brow pen, just because I love that microbladed look. But I realized I went over it a bit too much, so I'm just gonna brush it out. I actually threw away my brush to carve out like eyebrows because I never used to do my eyebrows before, and I'm annoyed because now it's like, well, I need it now. But yeah, I'm just gonna outline my brows to make it pop a bit more. I'm starting to feel it, like the look is coming together now. I told you lot to trust the process. I told you lot. Is it just me, but is gym anyone else's therapy? Like, I get all of my frustrations, all of my stress out in the gym, and it feels so good as well. Like, it's that good pain, that good, nice pain. Do you guys like working out with people as well? Because I don't like working out with people, because when I work out, I basically kill myself at the gym and then I come back to life when I'm done. That's how I like to work out. But now I'm using my MAC Studio Fix powder. I'm gonna use the powder to press the Laura Mercier, and then I'm gonna use my big fluffy brush and dust off the excess of the powder underneath my bronzer. About to go down because now it's a lip combo. I love doing my lips, man. I love good lip liner. Even every day, like, I wear a lip liner because they just make your lips look so full. They really highlight the shape of your lips. So I'm using this Morphe one. I think it's the shade Trendsetter. When I buy lip liners as well, I have to buy it in multiples because I always end up losing them. But so far so good. I've had this one for like a couple months, so this is good. I went in with 2 sprays, but I only showed one. I used the Charlotte Tilbury spray, and then I also used the Superdrug Vitamin E for some hydration, just because of all of the powders that I've used. I've only just added this Morphe gloss into my routine as well, so don't mind it looking a bit janky when I'm trying to trying to fill the outskirts of my lips to give it that ombre effect when I go with my nude lipstick. The lipstick that I used was from Maybelline. Maybelline actually have some really good lip products if anyone is looking for something affordable but also something cute. And then I used the KIKO glosses. I used multiple, so I don't even know which one is which, but look at that blend. It's just beautiful, like sensational. As Future would say, sensational. And then I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics Winter Wonderland blush just to give it that extra pink fluffy look that I've been trying to go for a while now. I've been so honest. And then now I'm doing my waterline, and I never usually cry when I'm doing this, but today I cried for some reason. I added some mascara. I think I don't even bother with mascara. I think this mascara was from Primark, or maybe I got it from my mum. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do me a favor and make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below for which other videos you'd love for me to make. Bye.